This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you from home base. As you can see up on your screen here, here's our Zeffy fundraiser. We have many options to how to donate. You can do the one-time thing at all amounts, 50, 100, 300, 500, or you can even do monthly at from $10, 25, 35, and 45 to help us get the car here by next year, because we have been commissioned next year to go to visit other railroads. So we need the car here now, so that way we can get it certified, get it brought home, and get it ready to go. So make sure to donate today. Link will be in the description down below. Let's do it, guys. We need your help. If we can reach our goal, we can get the car here faster. So let's get going, guys. You'll even get a tax credit receipt thing, and then all 100% of the funds goes to our mission. So let's do it, guys. We need your help. Time is of the essence here. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you from home base. I thought you would guys like a update. We are doing good with the fundraising. We need your help with the Zeffy, because if we can get the funds, then I have a surprise for you guys. If we get the funds now, before December, I will work to try to get the car home this year. I know we were going to wait for next, but if you donate $5, each of you donates $5, and it helps build us up on the Zeffy, or whatever amount you can do, I will personally oversee the car getting its cosmetic, or not the cosmetic, certification, and get it home by this December, so that way we have it for next year. So let's do it, guys. Let's get to this fundraiser, to its goal, because we're already in our business account right now. We're at $1,202.96. Let's get it up even higher. So I'm going to give you this challenge, guys, for this week. Get ready. Let's make that number go up in the business account. If you donate to the Zeffy now, either 50, 100, or 300, or 500, or if you want to do monthly, 10, 25, 35, and 45, we'll get there pretty quick. And I will make sure the car gets certified this year. That way we can be ready to move it home immediately. No wait, nothing. And we'll even bring it home via Amtrak, is our plan. And we may make stops in California for a little bit for certain events, because I've already contributed $143.04 to the thing, plus more. So if I can donate, you can donate. We've done it once before with the GoFundMe that we aren't running anymore. If we can do the same thing like we did for the GoFundMe, let's do it for the Zeffy, and let's get these cars home now. Because if we can get the J. Marie home faster, I think we can be ready to go. Because if you guys haven't seen the 2926 switching video, she pulled her first car. Yes, that was for 3071. Let's add the J. Marie to it, because knowing that, it's going to be so freaking cool to see almost a full consist right behind her. Plus, in the end, it's going to be benefited because next year's Railroad Days, J. Marie will be open for tours. Yes, that's right. She'll be open for tours so people can come see the car. And we'll be ready to go for the test runs. Exactly, yeah. We're going to put J. Marie behind 2926 for the test runs. So, get ready, because we're going to have a fun show when we get the car here. And if you notice, we have a huge team out there promoting us. We got it. We're in business, a non-profit business thing, then we can do it. You donate, we do it. with all the funds going back to the J. Marie and any other rental cars, I think we'll be good to go, and we'll be able to take more people because J. Marie is going to get redone so we can take more people. The other thing is might not know, the J. Marie actually has 2 Murphy beds in the dining room area, so we have enough space to transport more people now. So, as long as you contribute, let's get the car ready to go, and I'll even be willing to move the dining area into the lounge area. That way, there'll be more space. So let's do it, guys. We're asking you to donate today. Link will be in the description down below with a little bit of the history of the car. And let's make the goal, guys. We got it. We got the J. Marie in the bag. Let's make 2025, 2026 the year J. Marie makes the big trip home. And I will be on that car for the move. I'm not going to miss it. Let's do it, guys. All aboard, Highball. Donate to the Zeffy fundraiser today. And let's do it, guys. Train fans, that means you. Because you guys are the ones who asked for cars. We're answering the call. Do not hesitate. Do not wait. Donate, donate, donate. Tell your friends to donate. Let's do it, guys. We have work to do. We're ready to go. We got a home for it to sit. Ready to go. So let's do it, guys. All aboard. ERREC, Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO, out. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you from home base. Thought I would do a little update on what's going on and stuff. So, Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation will be owning the J. Marie. It'll be run under my company that I own. So I'll be running it with my team. We will be owners of it. We have partnered officially with 2926 for next year's run. So that way we'll have it for railroad days and test runs whenever. Silver Iris is off the table. It's been off the table for a while because Sky really doesn't want to let it go, so we're not letting it go. They're not letting it go, so we're not going to deal with it. J. Marie will be behind 2826 for a lot of the events, running and stuff, so we can only carry up to like 12 people right now, or, well, basically we're going to start with 5 if at a time, but I do have plans to redo the dining area and turn that into a bedroom, so that way we have enough room for everyone to be in once we get it. Dining room will be relocated to the lounge area, so we're going to redo all that. So, if you're wondering about the Silver Iris that's off the table, please do not ask about it, because it is done. That idea is gone. Sky Railways has it for 10 years, so we're not going to push it. And we want to make sure that we have time to get the J. Marie Amtrak certified and ready to go, so that way we can have the car here in time by January of next year, January 12th of 2026, certified and ready to move. That way we can book it. We have a team already who's ready to willing to help me move the car through California and stuff, so hopefully we can get the car here in time and get it ready to go and get inside and redo the work that we need to do. So just keep watch on all forms of social media and be ready, because we need your help to raise the funds for the Zeffy, because we need to get to the 230K goal. So if you haven't donated, now is the time. Please support us with anything you can. Buy our merch, because we have a lot of new merch out there now that just came out. And if you want to donate to our Zeffy, we have a monthly where you can donate monthly to us. We got 10, 25, 35, and 45, or a one-time for 50, 100, and 300, and 500. And yes, you will receive a tax donation, or tax receipt for making a donation, and we use Zeffy to make sure all our funds go to the Jane Marie, because GoFundMe screwed us over big time, so we don't want to repeat that again. So donate today. This is Extreme Railfan CEO, out. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO, coming to you from home base. As you can see up on your screen here, here's our Zeffy fundraiser. We have many options to how to donate. You can do the one-time thing at all amounts, 50, 100, 300, 500, or you can even do monthly at from $10, 25, 35, and 45 to help us get the car here by next year, because we have been commissioned next year to go to visit other railroads, so we need the car here now, so that way we can get it certified, get it brought home, and get it ready to go. So make sure to donate today. Link will be in the description down below. Let's do it, guys. We need your help. If we can reach our goal, we can get the car here faster. So let's get going, guys. You'll even get a tax credit receipt thing, and then all 100% of the funds goes to our mission. So let's do it, guys. We need your help. Time is of the essence here.